What I'd like to do is kind of go over some of the new features and enhancements. For those that don't know, we kind of talked about this before, and I left this one up here just so that you could see it. Anytime you see this little red exclamation item right here on the recent updates, it means there's been something posted. It's brand new version of something that is in the system, and you should be able to get access to it. You can click on that. It'll bring up the list of the things that has been done. And you can just, see all the different changes. Now, if there's some kind of change that's listed that you're not seeing, one thing that you may need to do is just come up and refresh your screen. It can, the way Chrome and some of these other browsers do is they capture a version of web apps, and whenever you run it the next time, it will use the existing one. But if you run it a second time, then it goes ahead and gets a fresh one. It does some checking there. So definitely worth taking a look anytime you see that. Once you've gone in there, then it removes that little red thing like I just did there, and we're good to go.